Good.
Thursday,
Today's experiment.
Thursday,
About 2 years ago, this March, I made a chicken gravy dish using a Carnation recipe from 1963. It had Carnation evaporated milk, cream of mushroom soup, cheese, mushrooms, onions. The little baby onions. I'm crushing your head. It was delicious. The gravy was thick. We had chicken parts, and we rolled them in flour, and we cooked them in butter in the oven, and flipped them and cooked them a little longer. And then we covered it with Carnation cheese and mushroom soup, and it was so good. And then I thought, why don't we just cook the whole chicken in the Carnation cheese and mushroom soup? It's thick. It's like smothered chicken, but the whole chicken. And I thought we'd use our Magnalite Dutch oven. So today I'm going to truss the chicken like Julia Child. The last time I did that, I tried to make her roast chicken. I broke the skin while trying to flip it in the pan. The original recipe will be in the description. I'm sorry, in the description. I'm going to truss it. We're going to coat it in flour. We're going to put it in the pot, open, with a ton of butter. We're going to bake it. Then we're going to flip it over, and I'm probably going to break the skin. I'm warning you now. Then we're going to cover it with all the goo. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Great! Holy moly! That's a quarter cup. Wow. Let's see if we can flip this bird. I broke the skin. I told you I would break the skin. Back in the oven. Wow. Minutes.
There you go. That lid wasn't even in the oven. Oh, okay, I burned my hand. Oh, it's totally not done. Whoa! Boy, it really filled up the pot, didn't it? $168. Let's just test the breast. Oh my God, the breast isn't done. Drop it! Oh! Wow. We have a lot of gravy. $166. Wow, it's like egg drop soup in there. But it comes together when you stir it. Gravy's going back in. Let's see if I can bring this gravy together. It did come together. Experiment
Thursday.
I'm just saying. I forgot to put the salt and pepper in. There was salt and pepper. Here they are, salt and pepper. I'm gonna put some gravy on it. Get a piece of onion. All right. So the question is the breast dry? Let's take a bite, because it's usually the breast that's dry. Boy, am I hungry. Here we go. It's not dry. Oh. That's very tender breast. That is a very tender breast. Oh, that's really tender breast. Wow, it really needs salt. Okay, the breast is fall apart. The fact that I could get the chicken out of the pot, I'm really happy with. I'm happy I didn't overfill the pot because it was really full at the end. I'm going to take one more bite of breast, and then we'll try the thigh and the leg. It's flexible. It's cooked, but it's not solid dry. One more bite of breast. It does need salt though. Here we go. Experiment
Thursday.
That thigh meat is okay. We've got skin, you know. I expected that, but the meat just comes right off the bone. Add a little salt because I didn't add salt. Thigh meat. Oh, it's so tender. I think we cooked this well over 2 hours. I'll put the final numbers in the description because I have to add it all up. This may be the most tender chicken I've ever had. Of course, I don't think I've ever cooked a chicken for over 2 hours. Okay, no skin. No skin, a little salt. Get an onion. Oh yeah. So with a little stirring, it started to come together, and I've only done a little bit of stirring. It did separate, but it's thick. Thanks for joining me this experiment.
Thursday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.